Today is a very special day. I'm graduating from being a small YouTuber who vlogs on her phone to being a small YouTuber who's going to vlog on a camera. My wonderful boyfriend just bought me the new Canon M50 Mark II, and I'm going to have my first vlogging camera for the very first time. So enough with the chit chat, let's just go ahead and open this. Here we have it. It came in a very cute case. So portable. Okay, I am so happy. Let's go ahead, give this a nice big open. It looks so perfect. So first, we have the little camera strap that you put around to actually hold the camera. And I'm really surprised, it's in really nice packaging. Then we have this little tiny case, and it comes with some lenses. This is what it looks like at a first glance. I'm like being very mindful to like treat it with such good care because I've never owned a camera before. That's not to say I've never used a camera before, but I've never actually owned a camera before. And I'm gonna put this to the side here. We have a wire. It's actually a TomTom branded wire, which is so funny because my backstory with TomTom when I was a kid, y'all, like that's a whole other video in itself. Moving on, we have this. I believe it's another carrying strap, but this time for the actual case itself. Then we have this, which is to clean your lens off. And finally, we have wow! This is crazy. Oh my gosh, it feels so comfortable. Like the upgrade right now from being able to vlog with my phone. I'm hoping that this is the last video I'm ever gonna have to film ever with my phone. And that's not to say that my phone has not treated me well or has not served me a really good purpose, because it has been everything and then some for me. But I'm finally ready to upgrade the quality of my vlogs to offer you all some better quality. Now, the main reason, and not the main reason, but a big reason why I wanted to have a camera was because vlogging with my phone, the front camera is okay, but I prefer to vlog on the back camera, and me and Michael really spent a long time trying to figure out how we could upgrade my phone, my iPhone in a way to make it so that I could vlog with the back camera on my iPhone because it just has better quality. And we bought the stuff, but it's just a lot, and I'm planning on traveling and doing some different types of vlogs with the traveling content. And for me, it was just more of like a safety concern, because when you have all of that extra additional items and equipment on your camera, it makes it a lot more easier, and you put yourself at much more of a risk to be pickpocketed, or not even pickpocketed, just have something stolen right from your hand. And I really wanted something that I could feel a little bit more safe and secure using. So that's why, after so much consideration and a lot of love, my boyfriend decided to buy me a camera. Aww. Round of applause for all the small YouTubers who upgrade to their first camera. It's a big moment. It's a big moment.
I'm not gonna lie, that thing is skinny.
Man's in London time. Hold on, what's the date? This is crazy. I'm so without words right now. I'm just so without words. Like,
It seems really nice, yeah.
Insane. We are not done yet, because I did get a few accessories to make sure that I'm protecting my camera, because As some of you may know, I am like the protective nerd when it comes to protecting my electronics. I don't want it to even have a hint or a possibility of being cracked or anything like that. So I buy cases, I buy protective coverings so that way the screens don't crack, and I'm just that type of person. So of course I had to go ahead and buy a few things.
Is correct, shorty.
To make sure that I'm protecting this brand new camera that I hope I never, ever, ever, ever break, crack, lose, none of it. So with that being said, part 2 of the YouTube haul. So first things first, we did get a glass screen protector for the screen of the camera. Had to get that tempered. And additionally, we got a case. And on Amazon, this case was like $13-ish, and I was not sure if I wanted to get a really fun color. They had some fun, brighter colors on there, or a black covering case, and I went with the black covering case, and I really like how it feels. So let's go ahead and put all this fun stuff on the camera.
Mine doesn't do all the articulation, but I wanted to buy this for pictures first since I still like pictures better. But I needed this and I wanted better autofocus for my pictures. This is the ugliest lens clap I've ever seen, ever.
I like it.
You like it?
I like the blue. I feel like I need color matching ones.
You like the blue?
I need blue to go to blue,
oh.
And I know blue goes on which part of the camera or the lens.
Oh, hold on.
Yours look comfy.
It's kind of comfy. Let's see. Man, these cameras are out here having a family reunion. This is like the difference to my old one and mine. This is SL2. This is Rebel T6. I can't do it.
You can see me vlogging. Yours. Man got a whole camera. Ah! Okay, we're gonna do a quick little test. This is what the sound and the video quality looks like on the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Now I'm gonna share with you what it looks and sounds like on my iPhone 11. And this is what the sound and video quality looks like on my iPhone 11. Let me know if you see a difference in the quality of the sound, or even if you see a difference in the quality of the footage as well. And this is what Michael's camera looks and sounds like. Michael has the Canon Rebel SL2. Now let me know which one you like more, my iPhone 11, my Canon EOS M50 Mark II, or this one. Leave a comment down below. So in conclusion, I got my whole family into YouTube. We're all vloggers now. We're all small YouTubers. So if you're looking to subscribe to any small YouTubers, here's my channel. Feel free to subscribe. I'm gonna link my brother's channel and my boyfriend's channel down in the description below. I am so thankful that you stayed up until this part of the video. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for sticking along for my YouTube journey. And I'm so excited to create new content with better audio and better video quality for each and every one of you.
Are you talking to me? So perfect. So perfect. So perfect. What a cute boy.
This is crazy. I'm so without words right now. I'm just so without words. Like,
it seems really nice, yeah.
Insane. Canon EOS M50 Mark II.
Mark II, she got the eye detect.